Follow this tutorial to learn how to create an account on the Beanstack Tracker app and register for summer reading. Once you've downloaded and opened the Beanstack app, tap Let's Go and select the blue book to get started. Next, tap Find a Site, where you'll then be prompted to search for and select Fairport Public Library. From there, either sign in with your existing Beanstack credentials or sign up for a new account. When you tap Sign Up, you'll be prompted to confirm that you haven't created a previous Beanstack account. Confirm by tapping No and begin entering in your registration information. Then enter in your personal account information, followed by your contact information. This part is optional, but inputting your phone number will be helpful for us to notify you if you are a prize drawing winner. Once you've created your account, you can then add readers to it. Readers are the ones participating in reading challenges and logging their reading. If the account creator wants to participate in their own reading challenges, tap Fill out my reader profile. But for a family account with the creator not participating in reading challenges, tap Add a Reader. And then enter in the child's name and age. You can create profiles for additional family members at a later point. Feel free to upload a photo or simply continue. To join the Summer Reading Challenge, tap the gray Register button, and then when the pop-up window appears, tap the blue Register button. If you'd like weekly personalized book recommendations emailed to you, tap Send Recommendations. Otherwise, tap No Thanks. Once you're done creating this profile, you'll be able to view your first badge earned for registering for the Summer Reading Challenge. You can then continue on to add additional readers. Having one account for all family members can be convenient. If you wish to add additional readers, tap Add Another Reader. Otherwise, tap I'm done adding readers, where you'll then be taken to your Discover screen. And that's how to get started with the Beanstack Tracker app. For further assistance, please contact the Fairport Public Library. Thanks for watching!